dapat kita dapat menonton awan kapek setetiun. Hey guys, kita dah siap solat. Kita memburu awan kapek. Yang tak tahu dah jadi kapek ketika buang. Sudah ada gulung. So, setetiun. Okay, itu pun.
Reminisce sometime. The night they took my friend. Try to black it out, but it plays again. When it's real, feeling's hard to conceal.
Okay korang, kita dah sampai. Akan mendaki.
I know you still living your life.
Ini baru mendaki sikit. Ni Put tengah mengikat tali kasut. Itu Amy. Oh, Amy Pro. Okay, ini kipas Put. Hi guys. Hi guys. Mana Put? Penat. Awak cakap awak. Itu pun penat. Tak nak cakap.
Take what I'm about to break. I'll be missing you.
It's kinda hard with you not around. Know you in heaven smiling down. Watching us while we pray for you. Every day we pray for you. Till the day we meet again. In my heart is where I keep you, friend. Memories give me the strength I need to proceed. Strength I need to believe. My thoughts big, I just can't define. Wish I could turn back the hands of time. Us in the six, shop for new clothes and kicks. You and me taking flicks, making hits, stages they receive you on. Still can't believe you're gone. Give anything to hear half your breath. I know you still living your life after death.
Tapi, the journey. Jom ambil gambar kat sini nak? Ambil gambar? Jom. Video berani ni.
I'll be missing you. Somebody tell me why. When this life is over, I know I'll see your face.
Yeay, sampai. Berjaya.
Everything passes. It's a day that I get closer to seeing you again.
Okay,
We miss you, babe.
naik lagi.
We stop because we can't stop. That's right.
Dia cantik tu. Nampak? Kerja. Aku nak turun lagi pakai.
We miss you, babe.
Every step I take, every move I make, I miss you all day and time I
Cantik. Diorang tengah kita duduk rehatkan diri dulu, okay? Kita dah sampai ke atas. Okay, kita dah sampai dah ke atas. Sangat cantik awan kapek tu. So, hari kita tak breakfast. So, kita baru nak mau makan. Baru kita bersama mereka. Okay?
move I make, every single day, every time I pray, I'll be missing you. I'll be
Sekarang kita nak makan Omang Toki, okay? Nasi campur. Kita dah habis hiking dah. Sekarang kita nak memakan, okay? Semua muka busuk. Selamat makan guys. Dan lemang. Review lemang. Meriah. Okay guys, kita dah makan. Sekarang kita nak balik. Okay. Balik. Ini keadaan sebelum semua orang tumbang dan masih menemani kita saya. Sekarang di awal-awal kecil-kecil. So, kita akan sampai 12.57. Tengok, awan dekat Pahang cantik ya.